Hi, today I am going to tell you some top tips that nobody will tell you to make your children to eat healthy food. So let's start. Of course, every child loves to take a bite out of a fuddy hamburger and chug a bottle of root beer. However, if a child is constantly eating like this, serious health risks could become a reality. To get your child to eat healthy foods, there are certain steps you must follow. Figure out the reason why he does not want to eat fruits, vegetables, or other healthy food. He may not like the taste of them, or simply prefer to eat unhealthy foods such as fast foods. Show children what is in processed foods. If they know how much sugar and fat they are consuming, they will be less likely to want to continue eating it. Teach them to read ingredients lists and recognize the unhealthy and disgusting components. However, if the children are very young, they may need your help explaining what all of the nutrition facts mean. Get them involved. If you force your child to eat healthy at home when they really don't want to, they aren't going to continue these healthy eating habits at school or at a friend's house. It's important to make children want to eat healthy instead of forcing it upon them. Let them pick out foods from the vegetable and fruit section. If children pick up the types of healthy foods they like to eat, then they will be more wanting to eat them. You could also try purchasing fun fruits and vegetables, such as a banana with a face on it or an apple with a sticker. Children actually love to eat foods that look fun and exciting. Make homemade foods with the children. Whenever you buy products from a store, they contain a lot of processed junk that makes the food extremely unhealthy. Also, when you take your child out to eat at a fast food restaurant, they are eating a lot of hidden fat and sugar that you probably didn't even know was there. Try making your own peanut butter with the children. Not only will they be eating more healthy, but they will also get to spend quality time with you and learn a new skill. Teach them how to cook simple meals. If children learn how to cook fun foods on their own, they will be more than thrilled to eat their own creations. This can be beneficial because soon enough, your children will want to make their own food instead of begging you to take them out to a fast food restaurant. You will save a lot of money by spending a few extra minutes to help them make a meal. Children can make braided chicken cutlets if you show them how. They can make meatballs and brown them in olive oil. They can make cakes and pies from scratch and enjoy doing it. Know the consequences. You may think this is time-consuming, but you will be helping them live longer, so isn't it worth it? If children constantly eat unhealthy foods, they could become overweight, or even obese. They could get made fun of at school and suffer emotional impacts. No parent wants to see their child suffer, so teach children to eat right to avoid the consequences. Set boundaries. Encourage your child to eat half of their plate or a certain amount of food before leaving the table or getting dessert. Provide plenty of praise and encouragement as they eat. If he does not like how fruits or vegetables taste, try promising him that, after he eats them, he will receive some of the food he likes too. Or, you can promise him you will let him do things he likes, playing computer, going with him outside for a walk, etc. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video, share and subscribe my channel.